My pretty little princess with man hiccups.
Here's a toe.
Is there anything specific that you want to see in that room?
I mean, we love what you've done with everything, so we really like how light and airy, if that's your term, the kitchen is. So if you carry some of those kind of concepts and feel into the primary, that would be fantastic.
Something that adds a little drama to the space?
Yes, I think I'd like that.
Okay. So Max, I have a really cool opportunity to do your room.
Asshole.
You